got this turnaround area all scraped off. All the scrapings I laid into the center and kind of mounded it before it was more of like a divot there. And this is all ready for base rock for tomorrow. And let me show you these ditches. All right, and we got this ditch cleaned out here. We cut down the outside kind of shoulders of the road that were heaped up and preventing the water from spilling off the road bed, and got all that material cleaned up, saved the sword ferns, didn't disturb the big root, and we are ready for base rock tomorrow. We got some rock here. This is a class 2 base, 3/4 minus basically. So it's got the bigger 3/4 inch pieces in it and all the way down to fine. And what's nice about using a rock like this for a driveway is that you can compact it and it will stay put. Whereas if you use just like a drain rock or a loose gravel, that kind of material will move around on you. Yeah, hold up right there. Perfect. All right, well, that works pretty good. We would normally gap the tailgate and have that truck spread the rock a little bit further. But two things, we got some kind of low branches, at least this one right above me right here, and didn't want to contend with that. And second, this part of the road right here, the road bed itself is pretty low, so we want to build it up just a little bit. And we weren't going to generate native material for that. We're just going to use this imported base. And yeah, we're gonna keep that truck rolling and get some rock spread today. Alright, this is my little Bobcat grader attachment. Just 2 hoses and that electrical connection right there. I actually had to change the pins around on the harness side for the attachment so that it worked with the controls on this Kubota. But this little grader blade attachment works great. Really like it. You got tilt, angle, you can drop that blade all the way down and knock down a bigger pile of base rock. So yeah, awesome little attachment right there. Anyhow, we're gonna wait for Grant to get back with some more rock, and we're gonna head up there and groom out what we have, try to spread it up and down the road a little bit further. So let's get after it. So the property owner wants just a little bit of gravel right down this pathway right here. So I think I'm probably just gonna shovel it down in there. That's what this little pile is for. But this little straight shot right here, I think Grant can spread it with the truck. So I'm gonna set these chains real quick and we'll do the best we can. All right, so I got these chains set right here, and all these chains are doing is just limiting how far open this tailgate will crack open. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this bed tilted up most of the way, and then he's gonna pop this tailgate open, start rolling, and start spreading. All right, so I don't think I set those chains very good. I think I needed to have given them a little bit more slack so that gate would open up just a touch more. It got to a point where it was barely spreading. It was just getting bound up in the tailgate, which can be worse on days when the base rocks has more moisture in it, tends to bind up more. When it's really dry, it'll just come right out. But yeah, this material has pretty good moisture in it right now. So I'm gonna have to gap that tailgate just a touch more, and it should spread pretty easily after that. All right, last load of the day, and it's actually one load beyond the budget for the project, but we really needed to use what we had on the lower section. So we're just gonna scoop and just kind of color this turnaround here. It's pretty well based, pretty solid, but we're gonna give it some color with this blue rock here. And got the roller showed up, and get everything spread out here this afternoon, and hopefully everything rolled. All right, this is the last load of rock. This load of rock's on me. Not gonna charge the property owner for it, but he needs it, so we're gonna give it to him. Getting a little late in the day though, to be honest with you. It's closing in on 5 o'clock, and I still gotta gravel this whole turnaround area and finish rolling the whole driveway. So whew, it's gonna be a long Friday evening. Let's get it done. good. Grant's getting it rolled out. Grant's already rolled out down below. And let's take a walk down here. I'll show you how the rest of the driveway turned out. Well, the owner's resetting his little hole for that pin on the gate. And this is all rolled out. I'll walk you down here. And down there where you see the orange, that's the skid steer sitting down there. That's where the driveway work ended. But got these little edges bladed off so the water can drain off the side of the road. And it's looking great. Let's head back up and see how Grant's doing on the rolling. I got this rolling done in here, and it's looking really nice. Well, all right guys, I gotta hit the road. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned, be safe out there, and we'll catch you next time. Over now.